Hey everybody, it's Julia, and I am officially at Amicalola State Park, doing the, 700 steps up to the top of the falls, and do that on a separate day. It's kind of like my warm-up before I actually start, so just thought I would check in with you and say hi and let you know that I have officially made it here up to Amicalola, preparation to start my AT through hike. Okay, so here we are at the base of the falls on the approach trail. There's Joe up ahead. Say hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
So our plan is that we've been in the car for 8 hours today. So I figured we would leave early this morning, get here and do the approach trail up and do the stairs and get that done today. Gives our legs a stretch from being in the car. So it's about 0.8 of a mile up, pretty much up all the stairs. You can see the falls way up there at the top. So we're gonna be hiking up there, stairs. And then we'll come back down and get in the car and go get checked into our room tonight. So then tomorrow we're gonna get shuttled up to the Springer Mountain Trailhead and hike back down to the lodge, make a loop of it. So here we are, going down to the base of the falls right here. And we got a long climb, so I'm gonna take some breaks obviously, because if I film the whole way up, one, it's gonna take about an hour for us to get up to the top. Two, I don't wanna break my neck before I get started, so we'll be following the blue blazes. And just so you know, this is not officially part of the Appalachian Trail, the hike itself. So this is just the approach trail, which is about a total of 8.5 miles from Amicalola up to the Springer. So that's kind of breaking it up just a little bit due to our travel, and you know, don't want to flop it. Look at how beautiful this is already. Not even on the AT yet. Wow. It's gonna be my backyard home for the next 4 to 6 months. All right, let's get the trailing. Hey everybody, so here I am at the base of the falls. So the first step in this track is the first 175 steps up to the top of the falls up there. You can see that. Okay, that's the first track after we do 175 steps. So let's get the step in. I figure if I take some video, I won't be paying attention to how many steps that I still have to go up. It'll go by a lot quicker if I'm talking to myself on my phone. So I think we're probably a little bit more than halfway. Got some drizzle coming in, so getting a little socked in with the mountains over there. Here we go. Last little up. I don't know if you can see them going to the left. That's the second set of stairs. 400 and something. Holy moly. Have you ever felt like you were just on top of the world? There's the next 400 and something. Get up there, but here's the Amicalola Falls. Beautiful. We thought it was raining, but coming up here, but really, just to get to the falls, coming down on us. Beautiful.